die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about 3 fragrances I've been wearing over the last 7 days. But before we get into that, if you like the content I make here on YouTube, please consider hitting that big red button down below, subscribing to the channel, and also if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. It helps me out immensely. But if you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. That's perfectly okay too. So let's talk about some fragrances. Starting things off is one of my personal favorite fragrances. This really has just increased its position in my rotation. You know, it gets better and better every time I wear it, and that is Kyle's Original Musk. This is an incredible scent because it's musky and it's floral as well. There is just a hint of animalic musk, but for the most part this is very clean and floral. It's perfectly unisex, so it doesn't matter if you're a chick or a bloke, you can wear this, no problems, no fuss, no muss, as we say here in Australia. I'm not going to waste a spray of this because for 50 ml you're paying close to $100 Australian, so it's not the best value fragrance, and for that reason I'm not going to recommend it for most people. However, if you've got a larger budget, or if you're looking at purchasing a musky fragrance that you can wear in pretty much any situation, any occasion, Kyle's Original Musk really is a fantastic scent. It's very unique, very musky. If you want something similar at a much cheaper price, just buy Javan's Musk. It's like $9 at Chemist Warehouse. It smells close to this, although it's not quite as floral. It is night and day in terms of difference of quality though, but hey, for $9 you really can't complain. Anyway, Kyle's Original Musk is fantastic, and yeah, I've been wearing it the last week. Next up is CK Everyone, the Eau de Parfum. I recently had a commenter ask about the Eau de Toilette and the difference between the Eau de Parfum and the Eau de Toilette. In my opinion, the Eau de Parfum is probably more unisex. It's got more florals in it, and I just really love the way this one smells. I'm a sucker when it comes to unisex scents. This one is fresh, it's vibrant, it's bright, it's got some bright citrus notes up top, but it's also tempered by the florals and like this really nice, clean, almost white musk in the base. It's a fantastic scent, and you're paying about $50 Australian for it. Giving you guys the finger there. That was completely unintentional. Going back to CK Everyone, the Eau de Parfum, you can't really go wrong with any of Calvin Klein's unisex scents. They probably make some of the best cheap unisex scents on the market, and CK Everyone, the Eau de Parfum, is no exception. If you have to choose between the Eau de Parfum and the Eau de Toilette, pay the extra $10 or so for the Eau de Parfum. It's totally worth it. I love the way this one smells. Finally, we've got a woody sweet fragrance with Roberto Cavalli's Uomo. Try saying Uomo a bunch of times fast, your brain will mess it up. This is a great fragrance. It's really an autumn winter scent, but you know, you can pull it off on the milder days of spring, maybe even summer if you're a super confident bloke. But either way, the design for this bottle is just awesome. It looks fantastic, especially with the texture sort of crocodile skin on the sides. It's obviously glass, not real crocodile skin, or else there would be no way I'd have this in my collection. But yeah, the woodiness, the sweetness, it's got like a honeyed note, violet, very potent, lasts a long time as well. You know, about 7 hours, so decent for an Eau de Toilette. This is a really great budget fragrance. It costs under $50 Australian. You can get tester bottles on eBay for about 35 bucks. Yeah, definitely pick this one up. This should be in your cold weather rotation for sure. It smells fantastic. Anyways, those are just a couple of scents that have been in my rotation lately. I've also been wearing Dior Homme Intense, but that's overrated, overplayed, and I only really put it on because it's right out in the living room, so I'm not going to be recommending that one. Of the 3 fragrances here I'm talking about, my favourite of the bunch is easily Kyle's Original Musk, and then I'm going to go CK Everyone, the Eau de Parfum, but Roberto Cavalli's Uomo is no slouch either. It's a fantastic smelling scent. I just really like the musky floral vibes of Kyle's Original Musk. Anyways, if you've ever worn any of these fragrances before, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.